So you may have heard that my stepmommy escaped from prison. Hiya, Huns. It's your favorite cousin again. I've been enjoying a well-deserved rest at my beach house when I get a call from Ms. Velveteen telling me that good old Pearl had escaped from the slammer. You may recall she tried to kill me last fall. I called my neighbor to see if she's been skulking around my neighborhood. No sightings yet, but you can never be too careful, so I've been dusting off my kickboxing skills. I've also been managing my nerves with this delicious tropical cocktail, which is full of wine. To make it, all you do is add 1 ounce of dark Jamaican rum, 1/2 ounce peach liqueur, and 1/2 ounce fresh lime juice to a wine glass with ice, and fill with your favorite dry red. The good news is that there are a lot of millionaires here at the beach, so I'm bound to meet a nice guy real soon. I think I'll stick around until the coast is clear at home. I doubt if she'll be able to find me here, but if she does, I'll be ready for her. So anyway, that's it. Thanks for dropping by. They'll be back on Friday this week with another Liquored Up Live broadcast, but don't worry, I'll see you again real soon.